Rahul has decided to transport me to a side of Delhi I'm not familiar with. The historical walled city of Shah Jahanabad, now commonly referred to as Old Delhi. Old Delhi, with its centerpiece Jama Masjid, evokes a certain charm that takes you back in time. Chaotic, vibrant, and full of personality, this is the cultural heart of the capital. Here, I meet Indian Ocean's drummer, the reticent Amit Kilam, who's happily found himself at his favorite kebab corner.
I know your album is releasing, so tell me more about it, please.
This album is our 7th album. This has 7 original tracks, and we are collaborating with one artist per track. So there are some 7 Dhurandhar of Indian music.
अगर हो सके तो अब कोई शम्मा जलाइए, अगर हो सके तो अब कोई शम्मा जलाइए, इस दौरे सियासत का चिकन खिलाइए. Sorry.
How often you all come back here to eat these kebabs?
Rarely, but whenever we can. Last time we were here
आजकल थोड़ा कम हो गया है.
year ago, ना जवाहर.
नहीं, I
come more often.
come about, sadly, 2 to 3 times a year. But I think I should be coming a lot more.
But those 2 to 3 times you come and you...
And then the shops are like, they are fully on alert because they know कोई खाने वाला आया है. कोई खाने वाला आया है. I have come here quite often during my college days. कभी-कभी हम लोग इधर से आते थे, बस लेके जाते थे. कभी-कभी तो पैदल भी आ जाते थे वहाँ से. तो उन दिनों काफ़ी खाना खाते थे यहाँ पे. But
it's not too far from DU, no?
Yeah, but ever since college is over and we doing music seriously, तो आना यहाँ थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. But now with the metro, I think it's a lot easier.
But you think Old Delhi has its own charm that New Delhi will never ever get?
Obviously, because just look around you. You know, it's like being in a different city. If you be here and then you suddenly go to GK1 market, huh? It's like you're in different universes. And that's what I love about the city, that there are so many parallel, all complex universes. And this one is something that has been in existence for way longer.
I cannot let you all go before you all jam or sing something for us from your new album.
From the new album?
Yes, from the new album.
Nadiyan hai hum behne do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nadiyan hai hum behne do. Sailab hai behne do. रोके से हम कब है रुके, बंधने से हम कब है बंधे, बहने दो.